Tired of Copilot popping up or just want a cleaner interface in Microsoft Word? This video shows you exactly how to turn off Copilot in Microsoft Word step by step, and it only takes a minute. Hi, I'm Anna from For Real. Let's get this sorted. If you've ever found Copilot a bit distracting, or you simply prefer to work without AI suggestions for now in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. It can feel like it's always there, but disabling it is super simple. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn off Copilot smoothly. We'll cover everything you need, making it super clear so you can get back to your work distraction-free. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word document. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This will open up the main Word menu. Step 2. All right, once you've clicked File, a new menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Look down towards the bottom of this menu and click on Options. This is where you'll find various settings for Microsoft Word, including our Microsoft Word Copilot settings. Step 3. Now that the Word Options window is open, you'll see another list of categories on the left. In this list, find and click on Copilot. This will bring up the specific settings for the Copilot feature. Hold on. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far and learning how to disable Word Copilot easily, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find it. Okay, back to the final step. Step 4. Here's the main part. On the right side, you'll see an option that says Enable Copilot with a checkbox next to it. To turn off Copilot, simply click to remove the checkmark from this box. Once it's unchecked, click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. This is key to remove Copilot from Word's active features. And that's it. Copilot should now be disabled. A quick pro tip to verify: look at your Home tab in the main Word ribbon. The Copilot icon, which was likely active before, should now be grayed out or may not even be visible depending on your Word version. This confirms your Word AI assistant is off. And there you have it! You now know exactly how to turn off Copilot in Microsoft Word. No more unwanted AI suggestions if that's not your preference. You can now work with a cleaner, more focused interface quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips on Microsoft Word or similar tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments. What other tasks in Microsoft Word do you find tricky, or do you have any questions about Copilot? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.